In this topic of the Windows 11 course, we will see what is the difference between Windows 11 Home Edition and Windows 11 Professional Edition. We will compare the two operating system editions. I will compare Windows 11 Home and Windows 11 Professional. I will open this link from Microsoft. We will see what is the difference between Windows 11 Home and Professional. I will select this. We can see the feature of both Windows 11 Home Edition and Windows 11 Professional Edition. The feature include device encryption, find my device, firewall and network protection, internet protection, parental controls and protection, secure boot, Windows allow for authentication, and Windows security. So these are common for both Windows 11 Home Edition and also for Windows 11 Professional Edition. There are some of the features which are available only with Windows 11 Professional. Windows 11 Home is good for single user or for home user who work on productivity tools, browsing, using application for coding. Basically, you can use Windows 11 Home for everything. You can use it for writing code, you can use for working on Excel, Word, PowerPoint, listening to the music, watching movies, browsing the internet. You can do everything on Windows 11 Home. There are some of the features which are only available with Windows 11 Professional. Features like BitLocker, that is for encryption, remote desktop control, which is used to connect to another computer, Hyper-V, this is to virtualize your operating system. We can create multiple virtual machines on the same operating system using Hyper-V. And there is a feature which is called as Active Directory feature. We can connect our computer to the corporate network, or we can join the computer to the Active Directory. There is also a feature called as Group Policy, which is also available with Windows 11 Professional. And if I want to create users and groups, I'll be able to create only in Windows 11 Professional. Apart from that, there are many other features which are available with Windows 11 Professional. So Windows 11 Home, it is good for single user or maybe 2 or 3 users. If you want more features, then you have to shift for Windows 11 Professional. So that was about comparison between Windows 11 Home and Windows 11 Professional. I'll see you in the next topic.